How to see your card number in Bank of America app. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can see your card number in your Bank of America app. So in my region, the Bank of America app is not available, but I can provide you the simple tips and tricks for that. So you want to see your card number of Bank of America and you can find it on your card here. You can see that. So if you want to see the card number of your Bank of America in your Bank of America app. So you have to go to your bank website or open the mobile app on your phone. Then you can log in with your username and password and you can create one. Once you are logged in, you have to find the section that show your account detail or card information. From that, you will be successfully from that you will be able to see the card number of your Bank of America in the Bank of America app. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.